In this video, we are told to find what x. So if you notice, y is equal to what 4, and we're told to what find x. So when you say y is equal to 4, it simply means that anytime you see y, represent it as what as 4. Okay. So let's go back to our question. Let me see solution. The initial question was what 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, isn't it? And we're told that anytime you see y, represent it as what as 4. So you say 2x plus 3 times 4, because y is represented as 4, is equal to what 12, isn't it? So 2x 3 times 4 is what is 12. So plus 12 is equal to what is equal to 12, isn't it? 2x plus 12 cannot be added together, isn't it? So you collect left hand. So if you are collecting left hand, if it's plus here, you move it to the other side, is going to be what? Minus. So you say subtract 12 from both sides, okay? And if you are subtracting 12 from both sides, we're going to have 2x plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 12 minus 12, okay? Rule now here. So we're going to have 2x plus 12 minus 12 is what? Plus 0. Is equal to 12 minus 12 is what? Is 0 too. Okay? So 2x plus 0 is what? Is 2x. X is equal to what? 0. Remember, we are told to look for the value of what? Of x. So you have to divide, you have to make s the solid of formula. Or also make s the solid of formula, that means you have to divide both sides by what? By 2, because 2 is attached to this s, isn't it? So it says divide both sides by 2. If I divide both sides by 2, you're going to have 2s divided by 2 is equal to 0 divided by 2. So this cancels this. So our s is equal to 0 divided by 2 is what? Is 0. So 0 is the answer to this simple question.